Hi everybody, it's 11:40 and 32 seconds on Monday, February 25th. This is mini number 1 for the fantastic 449 pair. Over here are the 20 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 6 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 3 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in third place will get the next single available spot. The spots are filled in order. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 13. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one, 13. Ed Piler, Eric Linderman, Joe Fote. Ed gets 6, Eric gets 3. Joe Fote gets 1 single spot. Time is 11:41 and 38